Maheshwari and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about scrunchies. I love DIYs and upcycling old clothes and it's just fun for me. Even the white crop top that I'm wearing in my introduction video is made by myself. If you want to watch that, I'll link the video in the I button and you can go and watch that. So the white top and also the white scrunchie is made by me. Today I'm going to share with you guys how I made that scrunchie. So let's get into the video. So for making this scrunchie, we are not going to use any sewing machine but our hands. So for this we are going to need a fabric, a thread and needle, a scissor and an elastic. You can use any old cloth or your mom's old sari. Here I am using my old top which I haven't used in years. I am measuring the width of the scrunchie. I am taking 4 inches of width. You can take 3.5 inches also depending on however you like it. Now this is the cutting that we are going to use for making our scrunchie. Now we are going to fold this fabric like this and like this, and we are going to sew this part here. Now we'll take an elastic. If you don't have an elastic, you can take any hairband, and now we will wrap this part of fabric around the elastic like so, and we are going to sew this part here now. Don't sew very close to the edge, keep some distance. Now I'm again sewing backwards just to secure it. And it's done. We haven't sewed ends of the scrunchie yet, and now we'll just have to turn it inside out. And ta-da! We are done. No, not yet. We still have one last thing to do. That is to sew this part. We are going to sew these ends now. Here we have to sew it like this part. Now we can't sew it all the way, so we will fold this part here like this on the inside, and now we'll sew this. I know it seems a little too much, but trust me, it's not that difficult, guys. Now we are finally done, and the camera won't stop swinging. And just look at the mess that I've made. Now it's clean. So yeah, that was it. If you like the video, please tell me in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.